Morning everyone!
You
Malawalagaw kami.
can peacock.
Walay tala diri sang ano iya,
Oh,
COVID.
yes,
Oh.
yes.
Hello, sweetheart. I don't have my son.
Get your son is there?
No, it's okay. I will buy no there.
Papa, you know what a can peacock is?
Mm-hmm.
Do magkambalan sila oh. Ni Adelaide, South Australia. Walking down the street.
Ate Mike,
Walking down the
Ate Mike.
street.
you're going to this school.
University of South
This
Australia.
will be your school.
Soon.
If I get in.
Yeah, ate. How many years na ate you go that school?
Anything like you want. Like... Oh, you're...
You might just should own a company.
Oh, ate Mike, so sexy. Ah, my family.
You need to wear... Ate Mike,
Tatay mo kas grilyo galakat. Stop smoking.
you will be wearing wig.
Ak-
You know the
ah,
blonde
as-
wig?
ano kagi katao karon
The
may yara nga sa grilyohan.
You know?
Tapos ikaw ga.
We're in Australia, man.
Oh, gani.
We're in a free country. We can do anything.
What the hell are you? Stop smoking. You with the kids.
Nana, you know what's cups?
Yes. Hi, Bernie. How are you? I miss you. Jumba. Bakit? Bakit nagtitiis? Oh, bakit? Ito, si Tart, Okado, Tobs, ha? Si Tart, Okado, Tobs. Joke. Sila yung ubay? Sila yung ubay? Hindi ako. I forgot to wear my sunnies. To have. Down the road. What's that? Wow. That nice one. Metal art.
I can make that.
Yeah.
We get heaps of metal there. Work, and I can do that.
It's all black.
Is it?
100. Oi, Nana, look, flowers.
Like us, yes.
You like the flowers, the big ones?
Yeah.
And that's in
Yeah.
you saw it.
Mm.
And that's on the news.
Mm. This, tama na, be. Tati na, be.
Sige.
Ate, say it to your friends. Sige. What we offer. Angel, titik. Where we go?
I think right.
Well, I don't know. We go in the run. How many minutes walking from the hotel? 10 minutes to start.
Why are you asking me that?
Hurry up! Nakakapagod naman. Paglakad. Oh. Carlos! Carlos! Where are you going? What? Shopping for what? Bye guys! Balik na ko later kay marubat ako. Bye!